Do you often work with data arranged in rows instead of columns? Searching for values in such datasets can be hassle without the right tool. This is where the HLOOKUP functions comes in. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use HLOOKUP quickly and accurately. Retrieve your data from horizontally structured table. Hi everyone, I am Devanshi from KnowHow Academy and I welcome you to this tutorial on mastering the HLOOKUP function in Excel. Today, we'll explore how HLOOKUP can help you find and retrieve data from horizontally arranged tables. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover in this video. First, we'll look what is HLOOKUP and why it is useful. Then, we'll look into the syntax of HLOOKUP function. Then, we'll look into the examples using HLOOKUP functions in different scenarios. And lastly, we'll cover common mistakes and troubleshooting tips. So, the question arises, what is HLOOKUP and why do we use it? HLOOKUP, short form for horizontal lookup, is a function in Excel that helps you search for a value in the first row of a table and returns a value from a specific row below. For example, you can use HLOOKUP function to find the sales number of a specific quarter, retrieve grades for students, or track inventory by item IDs. It's perfect for horizontal structured data. Now, let us look into the syntax of HLOOKUP function. The syntax of HLOOKUP function looks like equals HLOOKUP. Then we have to enter the value where we want to look. Say suppose I want to look the value, I enter here. Then we need to enter the table array we need to search from. I want to search from this array. Then I need to set the row index, the row in which I want to find the value. It is 3 here. If I need to find the approximate match, then I need to enter 1, and if I need to enter the accurate match, I need to enter 0 and enter. Right now I haven't assigned any value here, that's why it is giving me NA. Say suppose I enter Q1. See, it is giving me the value according to this. For approximate match, such as finding a grade range, set range function to 1. Ensure your lookup row is sorted in ascending order. Now let's discuss the common mistakes or the issues we can face here. First one is NA error. It occurs when the lookup value is not found. In this case, you need to check the typos or use if error to handle error gracefully. For example, say suppose I enter Q5 and as you can see that it is not present in my table. So we'll write if error. Then we need to enter lookup function and repeat the same process. The value, then our table array, then column range, and then I want to find the exact match. And lastly, I need to add if error statement, that what it should return if I don't get any value. I will write not present and enter. See, it is giving me not present because the value is not present in my table. Then we have reference error. It happens when the row index number exceeds the number of rows in your table range. Verify your table range and row index number. Then incorrect results. Ensure your lookup rows is formatted correctly and check for extra spaces or mismatched data types. In this tutorial, we have covered how to set up data for using HLOOKUP functions, and we have looked into the troubleshoot common issues. HLOOKUP is a powerful tool for quickly retrieving your data from horizontally structured tables. Now, tell me, how would you use HLOOKUP in your work? Share your ideas in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please follow KnowHow Academy for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'd love to help.